Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Metamonkeyai. Now Metamonkeyai just got listed today on CoinMarketCap. Ticker symbol is MMAI. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. Metamonkey. So there is 1,102 holders so far, 2,004 transfers, 7 decimal places, and there is a total of 10 billion MMAI tokens. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Metamonkey token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their Etherscan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap, or their official webpage, which is metamonkey.ai. They also have a Twitter listed on CoinMarketCap, a Telegram, and a Discord. You can find the price chart, contract address, block explorer, webpage, all that is available on CoinMarketCap. Today they're up 5.81%, not doing too shabby. There is a big warning though at the top of the page here that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about investing because of that warning there. So if you go to their official webpage, metamonkey.ai, they have a home section, roadmap, our team section, link to buy this token, and yeah, all sorts of stuff on here. Real cool like visuals and pictures on their page. Metamonkeyai, real world AI technology solutions for the metaverse. So it says coming soon, they're going to have an online and offline MMAI wallet. And what else they're going to have here? It looks like they're going to have a Metaverse mall and also limited NFTs, only 1,000 made, and they kind of look like holographic cards with a monkey on them. And then we got, lastly, what is the last phase here? They're going to have their own Metamonkeyai blockchain eventually. So on their webpage, they have a Telegram, Twitter, YouTube channel, TikTok, and a Discord listed. So Metamonkeyai's vision, the metaverse and its underlying technologies are in their infancy. So the name Metamonkeyai represents the next level of evolution for the technologies that will power the rise of the future metaverse. Before our launch, we have already invested multiple years in the studying and developing of Web3 applications that will power this transformation, like AI, deep learning, blockchain, NFTs, IoT, edge computing, and distributed cloud computing. Our partnered labs and researchers are at the cutting edge of this study, and their innovations have earned us several patents while we continue on securing more. The evolution of these new technologies is what MMAI is looking to deliver, and we are looking for like-minded long-term investors to join us on this journey. So Metamonkeyai Advanced Metaverse Applications, we offer complete solutions for your business to integrate into the digital world, from creating your virtual store to managing your inventory and hosting your store on our Metamonkeyai Mall. We can integrate all types of businesses into any metaverse, including but not limited to the following: car dealerships, movie theaters, nightclubs, casinos, hair salons, department stores, parks, airlines, bus stations, pet stores, grocery stores, and more. We bring real-world AI technology into the metaverse. So Metamonkey AI, your solutions to all technologies solutions provider. We bring real-world AI technology to the metaverse. It can integrate our real-world AI technology into any metaverse. We offer solutions for companies to enhance user experiences and generate new revenue streams with our proprietary AI software and applications. So on the roadmap, they're starting with website launch, partners with Cognito, partners with NS Lab, partnership with Creativia. They have a CertiK, KYC, and contract audit, it says. So that's cool. Partnership with ICT Convergence Center, Research Center, and then pre-sale, and then 1,000 holders. So all those things are done. Then we got a white paper being released coming up, exchange listings, Metamonkey AI online offline wallet release for iOS and Android, Metamonkey AI mall preview access. Then in phase 2 coming up, we're going to have website upgrade, e-com business introduction to Metamonkey AI mall, functional e-commerce NFT, integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Metamonkey AI mall full access. Then we're going to have events of Metamonkey mall, 2,000 holders, phase 3. MMAI NFT for life, it says, and that's going to be the 1,000 NFTs. Metamonkey AI wallet linkable to the metaverse. Top 10 centralized exchange applications. Community real world events. Start building the first native metaverse. E-commerce platform. Charitable donations. Give back to the community. 5,000 holders. And then last phase, we're going to have blockchain launch. New metaverse token launchpad. 10,000 holders. MMAI NFT holder rewards, and then more coming soon after that. Tokenomics. So if you are going to buy this token off of Uniswap, there is going to be taxes on buys and sells and maybe transfers. It says 2% goes to developers, 3% liquidity, 1% marketing, 4% AI technology development. So it says locked liquidity. Our liquidity will be locked initially for 6 months. This liquidity provides a pool that will allow investors to execute buy and sell orders immediately. As an additional feature, 3% of every buy and sell transaction will be automatically added to the liquidity pool. They have their CertiK KYC linked and contract audit at the bottom of their page there. And then they have their socials. And basically each one of their sections too, it says learn more. And if you click on that, let's see what happens. So it just takes you over to a different page so you can learn in depth a little bit more about each one of the topics that I mentioned. Check this all out. Metamonkey.ai is their official webpage. You can also find them on CoinMarketCap. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.